What do you do when a message suddenly includes your home address? That moment is terrifying. It feels like the situation has just crossed from online into real life. According to federal crime and victimization data, millions of Americans are affected by identity theft, cybercrime, and the exposure of personal information each year. If a blackmailer knows your address, your fear is completely valid, but panic is not your only option. This is a safety emergency, and there are clear steps you can take right now to protect yourself and your household. In this video, we'll walk through your location blackmail response step by step so you can regain control immediately. Turning information into fear. When a blackmailer reveals your address, they're not just sharing information, they're escalating pressure. In many cases, your address may have come from public records, past data breaches, or social media exposure. Psychologically, the impact is immediate. The goal is to make you feel vulnerable and unsafe, so you react quickly, often without thinking clearly. Understanding this is critical. The threat is designed to control your emotions, not prove physical proximity. How they got your address. If you're facing a home address threat, the person behind it may have obtained your information from several different sources. In many cases, home addresses are exposed through data breaches, leaked records, public directories, or online people search websites. Criminals may also gather clues from social media posts, especially when photos, check-ins, or tag locations reveal where someone lives. Sometimes, the information comes from details shared during previous conversations. In other cases, scammers combine small pieces of information collected from multiple platforms to build a complete profile of their target. As a result, they can often identify a person's home address without ever having direct access to their property. The fear makes the threat feel real. This situation is dangerous because it feels immediate and personal. Victims often experience anxiety, fear for their safety, and concern for family members. The moment you ask, "My blackmailer knows my address. What do I do right now?" You're already under emotional pressure. The psychological impact is powerful enough to make victims act impulsively, and there is still a chance that the threat could be legitimate. So a proper investigation is crucial before any risk is ruled out. That's why your response must be calm, structured, and focused on protection. Take immediate control. If you're dealing with a blackmailer who knows your address, follow these steps. Pause and stay calm. Your safety decisions are strongest when you think clearly. Do not block the blackmailer. Blocking may remove access to messages or provoke escalation. Preserve all evidence. Screenshot messages, including mentions of your address. Save usernames, communication logs, and timestamps. Assess immediate safety. Make sure your home is secure and warn close contacts of the situation. Contact local law enforcement if you feel unsafe. Report the threat and provide your evidence folder. File a report with the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, or IC3. This creates an official record of the incident and helps the agency track national cybercrime trends. Limit your digital exposure. Remove your address from public profiles and adjust privacy settings across social media. Monitor unusual activity. Watch for unknown visitors, deliveries, or repeated online contact. Enhance your account security. Update your passwords and enable two-factor authentication immediately. Contact cybersecurity professionals. Experts can trace activity, secure your online presence, and guide your full response to location-based blackmail. These steps can help ensure your situation is handled with control and precision. You are still in control. When a home address threat appears, it feels overwhelming, but you are not helpless. By staying calm, preserving evidence, and acting strategically, you protect both yourself and your household. Blackmail.HelpLine brings over 10 years of cybersecurity expertise, proprietary tools, and experience helping thousands of clients respond to serious threats and regain control. The team operates carefully to collect, analyze, and preserve evidence that can support efforts to identify the source of the threat and hold them accountable. If you ever fall victim to blackmail, you can count on the team at Blackmail.HelpLine. Call 888-634-1535 or visit blackmail.helpline.com to get started today with a free consultation.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmail.helpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.